Welcome everyone! We're exploring 8 groups of power foods that pack a powerful punch for brain health. First, we're diving into a brain-boosting superfood that's creamy, delicious, and incredibly nutritious avocados. Known for their unique flavor and texture, avocados offer impressive benefits for keeping our minds sharp and our brains healthy. One of the star nutrients in avocados is their healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats do more than just satisfy our taste buds, they actually promote healthy blood flow. And blood flow is essential for brain health because it ensures that our brain cells get the oxygen and nutrients they need to function at their best. By supporting blood circulation, avocados help keep our minds alert and responsive. But that's not all. Avocados are also rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects our brain cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when there's an imbalance of free radicals that can damage cells, including those in the brain. This process can lead to neurodegenerative conditions, so having a regular source of antioxidants like vitamin E helps our brain stay resilient and protected. Including avocados in your diet can be an easy and delicious way to get these essential nutrients. You can slice them on toast, add them to a salad, or blend them into a smoothie. Plus, their versatility makes it easy to incorporate them into any meal, so you can consistently support brain health in a variety of tasty ways. So, next time you're planning a meal, don't forget the avocados. They're more than just a trendy topping, they're a powerful food for supporting brain function and protecting against cognitive decline over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health insights. Hey everyone! Our next powerhouse food we're exploring is the amazing brain-boosting benefits of a humble yet powerful food, tomatoes. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that can make a big difference for your brain health. The standout nutrient in tomatoes is lycopene. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant that's known for its neuroprotective properties. What does that mean? Well, lycopene helps shield our brain cells from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. When free radicals are left unchecked, they can speed up the aging process and increase the risk of cognitive decline. By including tomatoes in your diet, you're helping to protect your brain cells from this kind of damage. But the benefits don't stop there. Lycopene in tomatoes also helps reduce inflammation in the brain. Inflammation is a natural response in the body, but chronic inflammation in the brain can lead to issues with memory and cognitive function. So by reducing inflammation, lycopene plays a key role in keeping our minds clear and sharp. Whether you're enjoying tomatoes fresh, cooked in sauces, or even as a juice, they're a versatile way to add brain-boosting nutrients to your meals. In fact, cooking tomatoes can increase the bioavailability of lycopene, making it easier for your body to absorb all those amazing benefits. So whether you're a fan of fresh tomatoes or prefer them cooked, you'll still get a good dose of lycopene. Adding tomatoes to your diet is simple and delicious. Try tossing them into salads, making fresh salsa, or preparing a rich tomato sauce. With so many ways to enjoy them, it's easy to give your brain that extra support with every meal. So next time you're meal planning, consider tomatoes as more than just a flavor booster, they're a powerful food for supporting brain health. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health insights. Hi everyone! Another powerhouse food we're talking about is a simple yet powerful food for brain health: eggs. While they're commonly known for their protein, eggs offer some surprising benefits when it comes to keeping our brains sharp and resilient. One of the standout nutrients in eggs is choline. Choline is essential for our brain health because it's a building block for acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a big role in memory and cognition. Think of acetylcholine as the messenger that helps brain cells communicate effectively. When our brains have a steady supply of choline, they can support better memory retention and clearer thinking. In addition to choline, eggs are also packed with several B vitamins, including B6, B12, and folate. These B vitamins work together to help reduce homocysteine levels in the blood. High homocysteine levels are linked to an increased risk of brain atrophy and cognitive decline. By reducing these levels, B vitamins help protect the brain from age-related shrinkage and keep our cognitive functions running smoothly as we get older. The benefits of eggs for the brain don't stop there. Choline and B vitamins in eggs contribute to brain plasticity, which is our brain's ability to adapt and form new connections. This plasticity is crucial for learning new skills, remembering information, and keeping our minds flexible, regardless of age. Adding eggs to your diet is easy and versatile. Whether you like them scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet with some fresh veggies, eggs are a quick and tasty way to nourish your brain. Just one egg a day can make a difference in supporting your brain health long term. So, next time you're looking for a brain-friendly breakfast, remember that eggs are packed with the nutrients your brain needs to stay sharp and strong. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health tips. Hey everyone! We're going to talk about the amazing brain benefits of citrus fruits, especially oranges. You may know these fruits for their bright flavor, but they're also packed with vitamin C, which is a real game changer for brain health. So, what makes vitamin C so special? First, it's a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps combat free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, including brain cells, if left unchecked. This type of cellular damage is called oxidative stress, and it can lead to premature aging of the brain and even increase the risk of cognitive decline over time. But that's not all. Vitamin C doesn't just protect the brain, it also helps reduce inflammation. Inflammation in the brain can disrupt our thinking and memory over time, so keeping it in check is essential for overall cognitive health. By adding vitamin C-rich fruits to your diet, you're helping to reduce inflammation and keep your brain's environment as healthy as possible. Another fascinating role of vitamin C is in supporting brain resilience and plasticity. Brain plasticity is our brain's ability to adapt and form new connections, which is essential for learning new things and keeping our minds sharp. Vitamin C supports this process, making citrus fruits an easy way to help keep your brain adaptable and ready to take on new challenges. So, how can you add more vitamin C into your daily routine? It's simple. Start your day with a glass of lemon water, snack on an orange, or add grapefruit segments to your salad. Even small changes like these can make a big impact on your brain health. So next time you're in the produce aisle, don't forget to stock up on these vitamin C-packed fruits. They're not just refreshing, they're also giving your brain the support it needs to stay resilient, adaptable, and protected. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health insights. Another important nutrient-packed brain-boosting food we're going to talk about today is tiny, but mighty foods of nuts and seeds. Specifically, we're talking about walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds, and how they can do wonders for our brain health. First up, walnuts. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly a type called ALA, which is essential for brain function. Omega-3s play a key role in reducing inflammation, which is great because inflammation can interfere with how our neurons function. By keeping inflammation in check, these omega-3s support clearer thinking, better memory, and even mood stability. Now, let's look at flax seeds. These little seeds might be small, but they're loaded with nutrients, especially omega-3s. Flax seeds help support our neurons by reducing inflammation, allowing our brain cells to communicate more effectively. And it's not just omega-3s. Flax seeds contain antioxidants, too. These antioxidants act as defenders, protecting our cells from oxidative stress, which can damage our brain cells over time. And don't forget about chia seeds. Chia seeds are not only high in fiber and protein, but also rich in omega-3 south and antioxidants, which help protect our brain. Plus, they're packed with essential vitamins like vitamin E. Speaking of vitamin E, this antioxidant is key to slowing down cognitive decline. Found in nuts and seeds, vitamin E protects our brain cells' membranes from oxidative damage. Think of it as a shield for our cells, helping to keep them healthy and functional as we age. So how can we add more nuts and seeds into our diet? It's actually really simple. Toss some walnuts into a salad, sprinkle flax seeds over your morning smoothie, or add chia seeds to yogurt or water. You can even make your own trail mix for an on-the-go snack. Just a handful a day can give your brain a powerful boost. Remember, our brains work hard every day, so giving them the right nutrients is key. Try adding these brain-boosting nuts and seeds into your daily routine, and you'll be nourishing your mind and memory in the most delicious way possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more health tips. Our next powerful group of foods that can help protect and nurture your brain are leafy greens. Yes, foods like spinach, kale, and broccoli are not just great for your body, they're also incredibly beneficial for your brain. Stick around, and let's uncover why adding these greens to your diet could make a difference in supporting long-term cognitive health. First, let's talk about some of the powerhouse nutrients in leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that play a key role in protecting your brain cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress happens when harmful molecules called free radicals accumulate in the brain, leading to damage over time. Antioxidants in leafy greens work to neutralize these free radicals, effectively creating a protective shield for your brain cells. This is crucial because as we age, our brains naturally become more susceptible to oxidative damage, so every bit of protection counts. Now, let's zoom in on one specific vitamin found in leafy greens that's especially helpful for brain health: vitamin K. Often overlooked, vitamin K has some pretty impressive benefits for your brain. It helps keep brain cells functioning well and even promotes their longevity, which is essential for maintaining memory and mental clarity. Studies suggest that people who consume more vitamin K through leafy greens may have a slower rate of cognitive decline than those who don't, making this nutrient a powerful ally in supporting brain health as we age. Another important nutrient found in these greens is folate. Folate plays a role in reducing levels of an amino acid called homocysteine. Elevated homocysteine has been linked to an increased risk of dementia and cognitive impairment. By helping lower homocysteine, folate supports cognitive health and may even help keep memory sharp. This makes leafy greens an excellent choice if you're looking for natural ways to give your brain a little extra support. So how can you incorporate more of these brain-boosting greens into your diet? There are endless ways. Try adding a handful of spinach or kale to your morning smoothie, mix them into a salad, or steam some broccoli as a side dish. You can even sneak them into soups, omelets, or casseroles. These greens are so versatile and easy to add to almost any meal. Incorporating leafy greens into your routine doesn't just add color to your plate. It gives your brain a natural boost, potentially helping you stay sharp, focused, and energized. So next time you're meal planning, think about adding some spinach, kale, or broccoli to the mix. Your brain will thank you. Another important nutrient-packed brain-boosting food we're diving into is the vibrant world of berries, especially blueberries and strawberries, and why they're amazing for your brain health. Berries aren't just delicious, they're packed with some serious brain-boosting compounds. Let's start with two powerful groups of antioxidants that make berries so special: flavonoids and anthocyanins. These antioxidants play a huge role in combating inflammation and reducing oxidative stress, which are key to keeping our brains healthy as we age. Blueberries and strawberries are particularly high in these flavonoids. Now, why is this important? Flavonoids protect our brain cells from something called free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that can cause cellular damage, which speeds up aging and can lead to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. By neutralizing these free radicals, flavonoids help keep our brain cells functioning better and for longer. Studies have shown that the flavonoids in berries aren't just about long-term health. They're also great for improving memory and cognitive processing in the short term. Regularly enjoying berries can help us retain memories better and process information more efficiently. This makes them an ideal choice for students, professionals, or anyone looking to keep their mind sharp. One study even found that just adding a serving of berries a few times a week can have a noticeable impact on memory retention and delay cognitive decline as we age. And the best part? It doesn't take much. Just a handful of blueberries or strawberries can pack a powerful punch. So, the next time you're grocery shopping, don't forget to toss a few pints of berries into your cart. Adding them to your diet is such a simple, tasty way to keep your brain healthy, youthful, and ready to take on the world. Whether you mix them into a smoothie, sprinkle them on oatmeal, or just snack on them fresh, you're giving your brain a natural boost. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for next. Our final power food in the brain health category we're going to talk about is a favorite, everyday fruit with some incredible brain benefits: apples. Not only are they delicious and easy to grab on the go, but apples also pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting brain health. One of the key compounds in apples is quercetin. Quercetin is a flavonoid, a type of antioxidant that offers neuroprotective effects. So, what does that mean for your brain? Essentially, quercetin helps protect your neurons, those vital cells in the brain that carry out functions like memory, learning, and processing from oxidative damage. Oxidative damage occurs when free radicals build up in the brain, potentially harming cells and leading to aging and cognitive decline. Quercetin also has anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation in the brain can disrupt cognitive functions and increase the risk of conditions like dementia. By reducing inflammation, quercetin helps create a healthier environment for your brain, potentially delaying cognitive decline and keeping your mind sharp and resilient. What's great about apples is that they're so versatile. Whether you enjoy them fresh, sliced into a salad, or even cooked, they're a simple and delicious way to add quercetin to your diet. And if you're aiming for the maximum quercetin content, try to keep the skin on. That's where most of the quercetin is found. Adding apples to your daily routine is one of the easiest ways to support your brain. With so many varieties to choose from, you can mix it up every day, from Granny Smiths to Honeycrisps. Each bite offers a boost of quercetin, helping to protect your brain's health over the long term. So, next time you reach for a snack, remember that apples aren't just good for your body, they're great for your brain too. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more health insights. See you next time.